Hey students, 3.13 is a unit review for Unit 3. So as you go through this module, it has places where you can click and go through some of the activities that we had in Unit 3. And then it starts giving you quizzes. So you can go through here and try to answer these quizzes to try and help you prepare for the test. You can go through here and click through the questions to also help you study for the test. Some of these questions will be on your test. It goes through ancient Egypt. It actually just goes through every module. So this part is about ancient Egypt, and you can try to answer the questions about that. This reviews ancient Greece. You can go through those questions and then check your answer and see if you can see if you got that answer correct. Go through ancient Rome. You can actually, whatever one that you didn't read or whichever one that you didn't understand very well, like let's say you missed ancient Greece, you can come through here and try to answer the questions and make sure that you understand it completely. So you don't necessarily have to go through the whole thing if you don't want to. But for ancient Rome, you can click through these questions and try to answer them. They've got a full section on the Pantheon, so obviously that's going to be pretty important as far as your test is concerned. Here's Art of Ancient Rome. For this one, they want you to use the word bank over here and type in emperor. Let's see if I got that one right. Nope, got it wrong. So don't answer that one there. Here's more with the word bank. There's a whole section on triumphal arches that you can go through and answer questions. Column design. And then they want you to try to figure out if the following things are Egyptian, Greek, or Roman by looking at them. So actually by answering the questions. So you'll have to differentiate between Egyptians, Greeks, and Romans. And then this is a matching one, right? Where you can match. Anyway, this is all to help you prepare for your test. So make sure you go through here and answer the questions, and hopefully you'll be prepared for your test, which is coming up. Have a great day.